wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best backgammon sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. For those who are on a tight budget, the CHH Recreational Vinyl is a functional and well-made board that's sold at just a fraction of the price of many of its competitors. At 14 3/4 inches, it's the perfect size for placing in your car or suitcase. It comes with nice leather dice rollers, however the hinges are not very durable and the instructions are hard to read. At number 9, if you're looking for an option that's just as much a beautiful ornament as it is a functional game board, then you'll appreciate the Vinci leatherette. It features an attractive old-world map design on its exterior that adds to its distinct vintage appearance. The weighted chip slides smoothly and the felt triangles won't peel off, but it feels a bit cheap. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Trademark Games Deluxe comes with 3 classic games at an excellent price, namely chess, checkers, and of course backgammon. It folds in half for compact and convenient storage, making it a great choice for taking along on trips. It's a sturdy wooden construction with a built-in handle for easy carrying. However, the pieces tend to slip off. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for backgammon sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, at 21 inches wide, the Middleton Games Tournament is ideal for someone who plays often, as its large size gives you plenty of space for rolling dice and moving chips. The fine felt finish gives this model an elegant, professional feel. It comes with durable high-quality pieces and attractive double-stitched cups, but it is rather pricey. Moving up our list to number 6. The Yellow Mountain Imports 11-inch is compact enough to take on road trips without being so tiny that it's hard to play. The exterior of the case is durable, so you don't have to worry about it getting dinged up in your bag when traveling. It features a beautiful wood inlaid design and a sturdy magnetic closure. However, the dice are on the small side. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you prefer a more modern design, take a look at the Rolling 66 Deluxe. Made of strong lucite acrylic with vibrantly hued accents, it's sure to grab the attention of all your guests the next time you host a dinner party or game night. It's a unique, transparent construction that includes velvet storage pouches. You can choose from 5 different colors. At number 4, take your favorite game along on trips with the Wood Expressions Travel Size. It boasts a handsome burgundy exterior with a magnetic interior that holds your pieces in place even when you hit a bump in the road or go through a patch of turbulence. It includes felt-lined cups and points and a built-in carrying strap. It zips shut securely. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the growupsmart Premium is made from wood with a soft felt interior that makes it easy to slide your chips across. It also includes access to online video tutorials that teach you how to play the game, making it perfect for beginners. It features a polyurethane leather exterior, an illustrated rules manual, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for backgammon sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, ideal for people who want to play the game in the park or at a friend's house, the sondergut mocha has a roll-up style board that weighs less than half a pound. It's made from pliable hand-sewn leather that gives it a rustic look. It's got a soft suede texture and comes with clear instructions. The pieces store in a zippered pocket. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Get the Games Out Classic comes in the form of a leatherette carrying case with 3 attractive finishes to choose from. It also includes a comprehensive strategy guide with tips and tricks on how to improve your play. You get spare chips and dice of each color, so it's great value for the price. It's available in 3 sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for backgammon sets, or simply click beneath this video.